I am in the airport bus, VAB1. Actually, I did a mistake. We don't have to go inside the bus terminal or the railway station. That was actually the railway station. So you just stay outside and then you will find the bus here waiting. It's every 10 minutes and you can purchase the ticket from inside the bus. Like the bus driver, he will print a ticket for you. It's 11 euros one way. I use my debit card, I could tap it and I got the ticket. I think it should take like 40 minutes for us to get there, but we will see. So that is bye bye Vienna for us. Let me show you. This is the bus. Nothing too fancy, but we have space for our luggage. Both of my luggage are there. I hope they stay there. And yeah, I will let you guys know when I reach the airport. It's 4. My flight is at 6:20. If I make it at 4:30 or 4:40 something, I'm still good. That should be fine. See you. I've arrived at Vienna Airport. This is our bus. I thought I would be late. I think it's 4:50, sorry. So I am a bit late, yes. But I think we will make it. Our flight is from Terminal A1. That is the Ryanair terminal usually. I think A or A1, we will see. The Terminal 1 of Vienna Airport. This is Ryanair counter. Probably I will go here and drop my luggage. And we will see. I think then, no, from here, then I have to go there. Sorry, there. I will see. I think it's not so crowded, so it's good. After this we'll go to customs and then board our flight. I passed through the security and my flight is from gates C, one of the gates from C, and this is Vienna Airport. Nothing too fancy about it, but it's of course more crowded. This is it. I will just freshen up a little bit, sit. My flight is delayed 10 minutes. It's at 6:30. So we have some time. So the boarding has started for my flight. So I'm gonna go here. Has it started or not? Oh yeah, it has started. C32. I think this flight is full. Yep. I hope it doesn't take too much time, so we should be good. Wait. This time I'm now non-priority, so I gotta go here. That was priority line, I guess. Yep, no problem. So maybe I will add the clips from the flight and then I will see you guys in Bari, and then we will take a train from Bari to Foggia and then I will sleep. That's it. I'm tired. So this is our flight. It's here. Actually I think it's way past 6:20, so the flight is delayed, of course. I just don't know at what time it will reach Bari, because I do have to take a train from there to Foggia. We are still not boarding, but I think soon. I got a boat from the rear gate. That's why I'm here. So yeah, this is the airport. Actually, my flight is from Ryanair, but I think this Lauda operates it, and it's gonna take like 1.5 hours for us to get to Bari. There is one thing I gotta say, there's a lot of people for flight like this. You see, till the very end. Actually, we have like three seating. So even this plane is small, it carries a lot of people. Hence the cheap fare. There has been a lot of complaints how people at the airport throw the baggages when they take it out from the plane. They're doing it, so now the truck is here. I wanted to show you. Can I still see? Can you still see? Yeah. Well, I would say they are not harsh. No, they're doing it pretty nicely. They're handling it carefully. So that's okay. At least in Vienna Airport. But our boarding hasn't started yet. I think it's 7:50 maybe. Yeah, 7:42. We will be late, that's for sure. Yeah, another plane arrived.